In this video, I'm going to show you how to register an account with Zereex, how to verify your email address, and how to upgrade your account so that you can start getting daily jobs on the Zereex mini skills. So we'll start with the registration part. So you put your name. The name that you are going to put here will be your display name. That's the name that people will see. Then your phone number and your email address. Those two must be your active GSM number and your active email address, because that is where important information will be sent to you. After that, then you put your password. You also have to repeat the password to ensure that you put the right password in place. Once you are done with that, you go down and click on the sign up button below. Now, if everything is in order, once you click the sign up button, you will be registered and automatically taken to a login page where you will be able to log in into your account. At the login page, you start by entering your email address and your password, which you just created in the previous page. So now click the login button. Now you are logged into your dashboard. So scroll down to see some stuffs, so these are the job categories. Now we are going to verify your email address. An email has been sent to your email address already. So all you have to do is copy the validation code there, paste it here and click the verify button. Now your email has been verified. The next thing is to upgrade your membership so that you can start getting daily jobs from the mini skills and other activities on the Zereex platform. So now this is the payment form. The important part here is your email address and the amount. The email address will already be printed for you to see. So make sure you put the exact email address in the field, and then the amount. So you put the amount there, 3,700. Then the next thing is to put your first name and then your last name. And then you can go ahead and click the upgrade button. Now there's an error. The reason for this error is because of the amount. There is a comma between the 3 and 7. So you have to remove the comma. Let it be just numbers. And that way you won't have that problem. Now you can go ahead and click. Okay, now this is the Paystack payment page. This is where you have to provide your information, but you can change payment methods so that you can see other available payment methods. So these are the available payment methods. You can pay with your card, which is one we just saw right now. You can also pay with transfer. You can pay by your bank. You can also pay with USSD. You can pay with OPay. So there are different options. So the one that is best for you is the one you can go for. But I'm going to go with the pay with transfer, which is more common. Here is the pay with transfer page. Now Paystack have already given me an account to make transfer to with the account number, but I can change the bank. So I click on this button and the bank has been changed. Now I have a Wema bank account, and you will notice that there is a timer below. It has given this account a 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, the account will not be valid anymore. You have to pay between the time that is shown below the page. So once you have made your payment, you can go ahead and click I've sent the money, and the system will start to process. And once it detects the payment, your account will automatically be upgraded. So that is it. That is how to upgrade your account. Now the next video will show you other steps, what you need to do once your account has been upgraded, how to start getting jobs, doing jobs, and talk to you in the next video.